Hi there. Today I will be guiding you through how to use Chatgpt in WhatsApp Computer. Whether you are using the WhatsApp application on your computer or you are using WhatsApp on your computer browser, the method is the same for both. The first thing is to get access to your WhatsApp. Once you get access to your WhatsApp, what you have to do is you have to add a new contact, and that contact name will be ChatGPT. So click on this icon and tap on the option New Contact. Once it opens, click on it, select the country code, and that will be United States. Now here, enter the same number like I am writing, and now you can see the official icon of ChatGPT. Once you do, enter the first and last name. I can't do it because it's saying this number is already in your chat, so let me tap on top of the contact, and here you can see this is the actual ChatGPT. Now here, I can ask whatever I want, just like I am asking, and it is the response by that ChatGPT. You can ask as much as I can, and that's it.